Snar here with the PiEthereumWallet now with Walletconnect. We have IDs, so it plugged in a $15 camera attachment and loaded up some additional Python modules, and voila, we have instant Web3 Dapp logon capabilities. Go ahead and we're going to click Walletconnect. We're going to press the button here, scan wallet QR code, scanned successful logging into Dapp. And if you look here, we're in the wallet, and if we want to log in, we click setting, and the address has been authenticated with the Dapp, and now you can save all your profile information here. And log out. Just press log out and disconnect from the Dapp. There you go. Want to swap chains? Easy, just hold the button. And now we are on the L1 ETH chain. And press it again. Now we're on Poly chain, and as you can see, we click Connect Wallet, click Walletconnect, and we'll go ahead and tap this, scan successfully, logging into the Dapp Polygon. So you are free to swap chains quickly and easily, and it saves your selection between boot up sessions.